Tutorial: DSL and cable configuration on a WAN cloud. This tutorial gives an overview of how to configure DSL and cable on the WAN cloud. Router 0 has been configured with an IP address and as a DHCP server. The configuration statements are shown in the workspace. Click on Cloud 0 and select DSL as the provider network type for Ethernet 6. DSL should be selected by default. Add Modem 4 to Ethernet 6 mapping in the DSL page. To verify that the connection is working, the PC should be able to receive a DHCP address through the DSL cloud. Remove the DSL modem from the workspace and replace it with a cable modem. Click on Cloud 0 and change DSL to cable as the provider network type for Ethernet 6. Add Coaxial 7 to Ethernet 6 mapping in the cable page. Just like with the DSL modem, the PC should be able to receive a DHCP address through the cable cloud. This ends the DSL and cable configuration on a WAN cloud tutorial.